Discovering manual labor occupations. Let's get our hands dirty. Hello, language explorers. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into the world of manual labor occupations. These are jobs that require a lot of physical work and effort. So, if you're ready to roll up your sleeves and learn some new English vocabulary, let's jump right in. Manual labor occupations are jobs that involve a lot of physical work. This can be outdoors or indoors and can involve anything from construction to cleaning. In these roles, workers often use their hands and their physical strength to get their jobs done. Some examples include carpenters, plumbers, or construction workers. Let's take a closer look at some of these jobs and their descriptions. 1. Carpenter. A carpenter is a skilled tradesperson who works with wood to construct, install, and maintain buildings, furniture, and other objects. 2. Plumber. A plumber is a professional who installs and repairs pipes and fixtures associated with water distribution and wastewater disposal in residential, commercial, and industrial buildings. 3. Construction worker. A construction worker is a manual laborer employed in the physical construction of the built environment and its infrastructure. They work on a variety of construction projects which can include buildings, roads, bridges, and more. 4. Gardener. A gardener is a person who practices gardening, either professionally or as a hobby. They are involved in the planting, cultivation, and maintenance of plants in gardens. 5. Miner. A miner is a person who works in mines, extracting valuable minerals or other geological materials from the earth. 6. Painter. In the manual labor context, a painter is a tradesperson responsible for the painting and decorating of buildings, and is also known as a decorator or house painter. When talking about manual labor occupations, you might want to describe what the workers do, what tools they use, or where they work. Here are some examples. Carpenters use tools like hammers and saws to build wooden structures. Plumbers often work in homes to fix problems with sinks, toilets, and pipes. Construction workers wear safety gear like helmets and vests when they are on the job site. Gardeners spend most of their time outdoors, planting and taking care of plants and trees. Miners work underground to extract coal and other minerals. Painters apply paint to the walls and ceilings of buildings. Well, that wraps up our exploration of manual labor occupations. I hope you've learned some new vocabulary today and have a better understanding of these physically demanding, but crucial roles. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep using these new words in your conversations. Until next time, keep exploring and expanding your English language skills.